How to fix you haven't set up purchase verification on Play Store. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix you haven't set up purchase verification error on Play Store. The first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now you want to scroll down and tap on the apps or app management option. Now, a list of all the applications installed on your device is going to be displayed over here. You want to find Play Store from here, then tap on that. Now you want to tap on the storage option. Here, tap on Clear Cache. After you do that, you want to head back, then tap on the permissions option. Make sure that you have allowed all of the permissions over here. If not, you simply want to allow that. Once you have done that, you want to exit your settings. Now you want to open up Play Store on your device. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen, then tap on the settings. Here you have the purchase verification option. Tap on that. Now tap on verification frequency. Make sure you have set that to always. Then tap on the OK option. Next, you want to toggle on the biometric verification as well. Now you want to restart your device and check, and this error will be solved. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.